Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Mohammad Yunus and I am a Odoo technical developer. In this video I am going to talk about how to generate an Excel report for any kind of PDF report. Like for example, we want to generate an Excel report for the sales order. If I print this PDF report, we will be able to see that the data that is coming in this PDF report. And here you can see, and we want to generate an Excel report in the same format, like a little bit will be different, but it will look at the same. So here we want to add another print button where we click and it generate the Excel format. So for this purpose, first of all we will have to create this print menu, and let me just search for this print menu inside Odoo to find the code. So first of all you will have to go to settings and then technical and then reports, and here you will have to search like quotation, and this is the menu item. So let me just find the external ID. This is the template, and let me find the external ID, which is this one. So let me copy it and then go to pycharm, search inside add-ins this ID, and search inside the XML. So let me just remove this one, the say module name, like this. So this is the report print button. So let me copy it, and here inside our custom module we have already the custom module, which is OD sales custom, so it is sales related, so we will have to add this inside this module. I will add a directory with the name reports, and then I will add a reports.xml file in order to add this print button. So add version encoding also, and then Odoo tag, and then here paste the code like this. So here just change the name of the ID of the report, like it should be XLSX, and here it will be XLSX, and the model will remain the same. Here we need to replace this with XLSX and just change this to XLSX like this underscore, and then do the same for the name also. So instead of sale we will use our custom module name like Odoo sales custom, like this. And this print report name is actually the name of the report. For example, if I show you here, like you can see here at the bottom, quotation sale order number. So this is generated using this code. So here this code means that if the state is in draft or sent, then the name should be quotation and then order number. Otherwise it should be order and order number, right? So you can add condition like this. So after that we will add this inside the manifest file here, like reports, and then the file name, and then comma. So this has been added, and then we will have to add the init file, because we are going to add a Python file inside this directory. So and then add the Python file to generate the Excel report. It should be sales XLSX report, and here import from Odoo import models fields API and then underscore. So here define the class like sales XLSX report, and then you will have to add model.abstract. So this will be the abstract model, and here add the name. So the name would be like, first you will have to add the report keyword, same like you do for the PDF, and then the module name, and then the file name, right? Go here and then copy the file name like this, and then you will have to inherit the model uh, from this module, which is like, let me just show you like this. So you will have to inherit this model, and after that it will work. And one thing you need to keep in mind is that we will have to add this module in the dependency also. So this is Odoo community module, and you can just download it for free, so because it is available for free. So like this, and then we will have to add this generate XLS method. So let me just copy from here and then paste it. This is generate XLS method, and here we have used the for loop. So here we will say like orders, and these are orders. So this we can say like order in orders, and then we will use here order.name. So this is just a simple code to generate the PDF, the Excel report, and the Excel report will contain the name of the sale order. So here we need to import the sales XLS report inside the uh, init file from .import sales XLS, and then we will have to import this reports directly inside the init external init also from .import report like this. So let me restart Odoo service and then upgrade this module so that we can see the change. So here click on apps, and then search for the application that you want to upgrade. So here it is a sales custom, and then click the upgrade button to upgrade the module. So after the module upgrade, we will have to refresh this, and we will see this extra menu for the XLS report generation. So the module has been upgraded successfully. Let me refresh this page, and let me just click on the print. So here you can see this new button added. So let me click here, and it will generate the XLS format of this report. So it just added the name of the sale order, and this is so let me just show you the name. So this is quotations sale order number. So this is generated on the basis of the report name that we have added here like this, print report name. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give a huge thumbs up. We are going to cover the design of the XLS report like this one in the next video. So get in touch with the YouTube channel, and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you.